Hey guys, it's Kristen with another chance resale. Welcome to my channel. I'm a full-time reseller, and in this video, we're going to be opening another Goodwill BlueBox 5-pound repurpose jewelry lot. So I had opened up another one in my previous video. So this is the second one in the order. So it is from New Jersey. If you're interested in anything, email me at anotherchanceresale1@gmail.com. Please look in my description box for all kinds of cool and useful information and links. I also want to say that sometimes I get comments on my videos, but then when I go to click on the comment, like in my notifications, it's not there in the video. So if I don't respond to you or if I don't click the heart, it's not because I'm ignoring you, it's because I can't respond to you. And that really, really like bothers me because I don't want people to think I'm ignoring them. So I don't know why that is or how that happens, but like I feel like it happens on at least one person for every video. I'll see it in my notifications, I'll go to click on it to respond, and it's not there. So I apologize. I swear I'm not doing it on purpose. Okay, so let's dive on in. So first we have, this looks like an armband that you would wear like on your bicep, right? Something like that. I'm going to put this in craft. It's kind of bent up. It is not in the best of condition. So craft lot it goes. This is actually really pretty. It is some kind of wood, and it looks like they actually, yeah. This is not what I think it is, right? No. So we have just a bangle with some carvings in it. It's actually in very good condition. It might be a little on the small side. I could probably squeeze it on. I don't know about getting it off. There is one little chip right there, but otherwise it's in good condition. So let's just do 4 on that. So yeah. Oh, and sorry about my light being in the way. Like, when it's like that, I don't know why or how that happens, because I am super paranoid about it being in the way, so I always try to make sure it's not in the way. And then the last video, it was in the way the entire time. I don't know. So so I apologize, because I know that's probably annoying. So now I'm trying to keep it like way over here, like completely not even in the right realm of the camera. Anyway, these bangles go into crafting. This looks, yeah, this is vintage. It's signed, okay, focus check. It's signed Japan. It's actually in good condition. I actually like this color. It's like a mint. It's like a blue-green, I guess. So let's do 5 on this. This is in good shape, and I love the color. Very different. Cool. And I actually might list that one in my eBay store for maybe $14.99. As you guys know, I don't normally sell faux pearls because they just don't sell for me. But that one's a cool color, so I will try that one. This is going to go into craft because some of these beads have lost their gloss tone. So gloss, whatever you want to call it. Oh, I was like, that's a cool clasp, but it's actually just a nail, probably a hinge from something else, like a bolt. This has no maker mark, and it's a little crooked. Oh, that's because the hinge came out of this bracelet, the bolt, whatever. There we go. But is it in good shape? Yeah. It just needs a little bit of a wipe down. It's a little dirty. So we can sell this one. Let's do 4. It is small, but it clamps, so it's a nice fitted clamper. Cool. And then here we have another one. Is it the same color? It's a little bit darker. So, how about we just do 6 for the pair? Okay, and if you just want the 1, it's 4. All right, so let's dig on in for some more. Wow, look at that. So I did save the single earrings from the previous lot in case there were some single earrings in this lot. Usually I can find the mates. That's craft. There were a few mates in the last lot, so that was good. I like when that happens. Okay. We have a little bit of a tangle. I'm trying to get this locket. You guys know me and lockets. Tend to have some funny things in there. Ready? It does open. My nail is probably too thick. Hold on. What can I get? This is pretty tight. I can't even get it with the scissor. All right, okay. Hang on. Sorry about that. I didn't want you guys seeing me almost break a nail. But there's nothing in it. But it does close very nicely. And it is in excellent condition. Same with the chain. So let's do 5 on that. Super cute. And I have sold a few lockets on eBay. So if this one doesn't sell in the video, I will definitely list it for probably $14.99. I actually just sold one yesterday. I listed it and it sold the same day. Very, very strange, but thank you. That was very cool. It was almost like a damascene style, and it had like a, I almost said snowflake, a sunflower on it. Okay, this is a rhinestone necklace. It's not in good condition. Look at the back. And this is doo-doo. So that'll go into craft. That'll make good replacement rhinestones for somebody's project or jewelry. This is absolutely ginormous. It's so big. Look at that. That's like a whole sleeve. It's in really good condition though. So let's just do 4 on that. That's pretty cool. Very unique. All right, so we have this clay. I think somebody handmade this. You can even see their little fingerprints are like imprinted into the clay. That'll just go into crafting. We have, I'm just checking the clasp. This is just a glass bead bracelet. That'll be nice for crafting. And as you guys know, anything that you ask me to pull out of craft is $1. Here's a single earring. We'll go to the side. I'm just trying to see if there's any more craft items. We'll put that in craft. Those are things that are just not, I'm not interested in selling, or they're not in really the greatest of condition to sell. I know some people get a little mad that I waste things. I don't waste anything unless it's rusted or has like a severe amount of verdigris. Nothing gets wasted. This is cute. This is a vintage Aurora Borealis and iridescent rhinestone necklace. Not rhinestone, bead necklace. Some of the iridescent is coming off up here, like where it would sit on your skin, I mean around your neck. Yeah. Yeah, like if you notice here, there's the iridescent, but then there's none there. So that's going to go in craft too. Okay, there's a hair. Let me get that out of there for, oh, there's two. Yucky. All right. Flower. This is actually really cute. So we have, what's this? Mother of pearl, maybe? I think it's just a shell. No maker, but I really like it. It's got these other pieces of shell, some faux pearls, some other different kind of faux pearls, and check out the bail. So pretty. Just doing another focus check. It does have the rhinestone in the center. Okay, everything's intact. So let's do 5 on this. This is really pretty. And it's a little short, so it would sit probably right in between your collarbone. Like this would fall right, you know, right a little bit past the base of the neck. It would look really cute. $5. Okay, so this, what happened here? Ew, what is that? Oh, it's a piece of thread. I thought it was a white hair. I'm like, oh, okay. So this is a very good condition. Oh, I see what this is. Okay, so this is a front clasp. You toggle clasp it in the front. And you wear it like so. These are glass beads, blues and grays, but if you wanted to wear it long, I'm sure you can wear it like this and no one's going to say anything because that's going to be in the back, and then you can wear it long. Very cute. $5. Okay, so this, what happened here? Oh, is this a little set? It is, it is. All right, so I'm just looking for any markings. Ooh, I think I see something. I think I see something. I do. It says 1/20th 12K gold filled. So this is very pretty. It is a probably bone. Yeah, like the, what is that? Oh God, I always forget it. Bovine bone. I always forget the name of it. Flower and bracelet set. Very, very, very cute. And this bracelet says, necklace says the 12K gold filled as well. What does that say? Does that say Spidel? Is that a thing? I think it is. Let's look it up for people that don't know like me. And if you don't want to see this part, you can fast forward. Spidel. I don't know how to spell it. E-I. Flower bracelet. Yeah, I mean, it's probably going to be bone. I don't know. I don't know, guys. No. But I'm pretty sure, let me just look again. Or let me look on the back of this. The back of the bail says something. No, it just says the 1/20th 12K again. Well, whatever. I'm pretty sure it said Spidel. I don't want to spend forever on this and bore you guys to death. So, let's do, how about we do 15 on the set? Okay. That's a very pretty set. It's both in excellent condition. Oh, so pretty. Was there a missing one on here and I didn't even notice? There is. Boogers. I can fix that. I have some E6000 and we gonna fix it. Brand new. You guys probably noticed that and were yelling at me through the screen. Sorry. This is a definite no-no. It's all peeling. Nope. Ain't gonna do that. Craft it goes. Let's get this big mama out of here. So she is a seed bead like necklace, collar necklace. I feel like the lighting in here is not the best. Meanwhile, it's so bright, like to me. This is in good shape, so we'll do 5 on that. Very pretty. Okay, let's see what else. I have a bunch of those ones listed in my eBay store, so I'm not gonna list that seed bead necklace, but if I were, you know, maybe $14.99. All right, what's going on here? Is this broken? I think it just has to be reattached. Which I can do. There we go. Look at that. It's fixed. I'll just tighten it. Boom. So that, look at that. I did my own jewelry repair, guys. I can do simple things like that, but that's about it. This is in excellent condition. I love the asymmetrical beads with the round metal beads. Round metal on the other side and then down. So cute. This is very pretty. These have the matching earring right here. Do I see the other one? Oh, I do. Cool. So this is a set. So let's do 8 on the set. That's really cute. Excellent condition. And I'd probably do like $16.99 online. All right. That's a cool earring, so let's hope for the mate on that. Okay, so this is also in good condition, and it is Leah Sophia. See, I think I definitely like New Jersey. That's where it's at with the jewelry here. So yeah, this is in good shape. It's got all the mixed metal, the gold tone, the gunmetal, the silver. Very cool. We'll do 5 on the Leah Sophia. I can list it online, maybe $14.99. Oh, guys, I got a couple of the thread-up jewelry boxes, the 15-piece curated. They released them on Tuesday, okay? So I swear, every week it's a different day. Sometimes it's Thursdays, sometimes it's Wednesdays. This week it was Tuesday. Yeah, I don't know. So, and then I think the pound lot, like the up to 10 pounds was Wednesday morning, I think. I don't know, but I got a few of them on Tuesday. This is just going to go into craft. This is not okay. I also got a shoe and a designer purse. So, oh, this is Banana Republic. So I will have a lot of videos coming up. And I also got the shoe from Goodwill BlueBox, so that'll be my next video. This is pretty. This is in excellent condition. It's Banana Republic, $5. Probably list it for $14.99. This actually is in good condition too. Is that a maker? No. Missing stones. Let's see. No, I think we're good. So this is cute. Nice and pretty for the upcoming summer months. Let's do 4 since it's just a stretchy, but a pretty one. All right, so let's see what all this is. This is just plastic black beads that will go into crafting. I like the color theme we got going on with this lot. Awesome. Makes me even more excited for the warmer months. This is not marked, but it's in very good condition. Not excellent, but it's in good. So let's just do 3 on this because there is a little bit of marks like around the facets and light scratching, but really it's nothing like, you know, it's nothing that you would be able to notice if somebody else would notice, I would say. They would not. Here's a choker. This one's cool. It is in good condition. I'm not seeing any missing stones. So let's just do 3 on that. What is this? What are you? Yep, I'm going to say no on this. It is not in good condition. So that's crafting. We got a puffy heart. The chain is in good shape. There's just a little bit of wear on the clasp. I don't know if that's a mark or if that can come off. I'm not sure. But the other side looks good. So we can do 4 on that. On to the next little grouping. Oh, guys, I'm pulling this out. Look at this. What in the tarnation? Somebody made this. Look at that. She's cool. There is definite wear up here on the enamel leaves. And I don't know what's on those 2 rhinestones, but there's definite wear. But look at the back. How cool. They like molded it. Initials MN. Very cool. It's probably clay. Wow. I don't even know. I mean, look at the nose. That's so cool. We can do, let's do, I don't know, $8. This is pretty unique. Let me put it somewhere separate so it doesn't get smushed. I'm surprised it made it in there without getting all, maybe that's how the rhinestones got messed up and the enamel. All right, so we have a very lightweight gold tone chain. It's in good shape, but oh, here's the clasp. I don't know. I'll do 3 if anyone's interested. I can feel all the dirt on my fingers. Here's a rhinestone necklace. This is very pretty. It's in good shape. Meh. Actually, not really. The back is not really. So we'll put that into craft and, you know, somebody can harvest the rhinestones. I think this is what is making everything feel grimy. So we're going to put that into craft. It was not in good condition to be sold, to wear. I don't know what fell off of this, but that's going to go into crafting as well. All right, let's take this out of the bag because it's going to poke me. Poke, poke. All right, so she's a little snow lady. I'll put her into craft. That'll be a cute little winter project for somebody to use. This, I don't even want to touch it. It's all gaga right there. and peeling, and no thank you. This one too. See, now we're getting to the doo-doo stuff. Right here, I don't know if you guys can see, but the silver tone is almost all gone. So that'll go into craft. Yeah, right. This says 14K on it. That's a good one. When it's completely like chipping away, like the metal is chipping away. So that's, I'll test it later, but I'm positive it's not real. I've gotten a few of those chains before and they were not real. Let me see. Where's my magnet? Where did it go? Here it is. This, I don't think this is silver, but we gonna check it out real quick. We just gonna see. Nope, 'tis not. But it is pretty. Let's do $2 on it. Does have a little bit of wear. Just a little bit. I'll be sending out February jewelry subscription boxes this week, Monday, guys. It's in a couple days, so if you want to get in on the jewelry action, you can sign up on Monday, and I will get your box out. Or you can sign up now and get January's, and then when February hits Monday, you get another one. This is in good shape. It's a gold tone. So one side has this like, I don't know, textured side, and the other side has this texture. It's like different on each side. God, I can't talk. So we'll just do 3 on that. It's a little bit lightweight. Here's an earring we'll save. Oh, I don't even know what this is. This is the daintiest little necklace. These teeny itty bitty faux pearls in like these pastel colors. So we can do $2 on that. That's cute. And it's in good shape. Here we have some frilly willy earrings, some clippies. I mean, I don't know if I'd put that on my ear. That's kind of scary looking. It's like a brass tone, but I think I'm gonna put that in craft because it's kind of got a little bit of green on it. Kind of freaking me out. Here's an earring. We have a cufflink. No maker, but it's got a, what is that, abalone on there? This is a well-loved bangle, which will go into crafting. Oh, look. So this was from the other lot. Yes! Right? Check that out. Those are really cool. So these are clippies and screwbacks. It just says patent pending number. Those are definitely really pretty. Let's do 4 on those. I'll probably list those for like $14.99. All right. So let's dump out the rest. Oop, I almost dropped something. Oh, look. Is that Cinnabar? Oh, it might be, but we'll check that at the end, as I'll teach you guys what I know about Cinnabar. What is this? It's like a caterpillar or a slug. It looks like it was a bracelet at some point, and it no longer is. I think somebody made this into a bracelet, because look. So that'll just go into craft, the little caterpillar. Oh, we got some earrings on a card. Some jingle bells. That's gonna go into craft too. Yep, they are. They are. So this is pretty. So these are, maybe they're not glass. Could this be Bakelite? Is that a thing? To make beads out of a necklace? I don't know. But they're not stone. And it is vintage. No maker. I don't know. I don't have anything to test Bakelite. You guys would probably know just by looking at this. So I'll put some information on the screen. You know, if I remember. I think I forgot to do something in the last video. Okay, so this is disgusting. See, this is something that needs to be thrown out. Because look at, ew, just look at that. It's all green and there's actually like fuzz, like it's fuzzed. I don't know. That's weird and gross. This is just a little cheapy necklace. The silver's coming off these beads though. So that's going to be craft. All right. Here we have another, I was quiet for a minute, huh? I just got like zoned out for a second at that like chime sound the jewelry was making. Okay, this is, I don't know what's going on with this, but it's got some verdigris on it. I don't know. I mean, the beads seem to be in good shape. And it's really, really long. You can definitely double this one. Let's just do 4 on it because there is some wear on this. So, yeah. But the rest was okay. Here's black, plastic. Very lightweight. Beaded necklace. I don't know, just give me $1. It's going into craft. Oh, this is cute. Little white beads on a gold tone, a brooch. Yeah, but she's in excellent condition. We'll do 3 on this little cutie. This little cutie pie. Cutie. This is not cute. This is very worn. So that is going into crafting as well. La la la. Oh, this is cute. Oh, look at the little flowers. Ow. Jeez Louise, that was a tough one to open. That is cute. So all the little rhinestones are there. Let's do 5 on this. This is adorable. Probably $14.99 online. This is a no. It's nope. Not doing it. This one. Oh, it does say something. Oh, it's Monet, but it's very worn. The gold tone is almost completely gone. Craft. Ooh, this is pretty. Oh, I don't have the mate because all that's left is right here. This was a clip earring. No, it's a post, sorry, pierced. There's no maker, so, but that's cool. That'll just go bye-bye. All right, let's see what else. We only have a few more things. What does this say? My God, I cannot see that. Direction 1. Direction 1, I think that says. And it says it again here. Yeah, I have never heard of that. Have you guys? Let's look it up really quick. And if you know what that is already, then you can fast forward. Direction 1 necklace. Yeah, I knew that was gonna happen. They'd pull up one direction. Oh my gosh. Here, direction 1 gold tone fan. How'd I know that was gonna happen? So not very expensive, you know, like under $10. This does have a little bit of wear right there. So let's just do $4 on that. I don't know, FAA 50 years. I don't know. Some of those pins can be worth something, so always look them up on eBay first. Here's a little bracelet, but there's missing a stone right there, which sucks because this is cute. I don't see any maker mark. All right, well, that's just gonna go like that for now. Yeah, I can't sell it with the missing stones, so it's gonna go into craft for $1. Like, I can't sell it as a bracelet. But if somebody wants to fix it. Here's another clip-on that has no mate. So that'll go into craft. This looks like a little ring. That's cool. It's a little bit bent, but not too bad. Let's get you guys a size. It's probably like a 5 or something. It's a 4.5. So let's do 4 for the size 4.5. Oh, so oh, nice. So the mates are here because they clip them together. Awesome. So these, oh geez, if I can hold them. These are cool. They're for pierced ears. And they're very pretty. They have this blue stone. I think it's just glass. And silver tone. We can check with Pressy just to be safe. But, okay, so let's keep going for now. All right, this is broken. I can already see the heart is broken off, so I will probably steal the chain. Not probably, I am. And I'm going to keep it for a pendant. All right, let's look at what let me just do this really quick. Nope. So it's not even registering as anything, so I can do 4 on these. They're in excellent condition. All right, let's see what this necklace is because it looks really cool. The clasp is a heart with an arrow. Oh my God, how cute. Oh, it's 2 necklaces. So this is a boy and a dog, I'm guessing. A boy and his dog? I'm not really sure. But it's cute. And it's in good shape. So let's do 5. Da, 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 almost done. Old Navy, so that's gonna be a no. I mean, it's in okay shape, but this kind of stuff doesn't usually last very long, so I'm still gonna put it into craft. But it's got a cute little ladybug and butterfly. This is a cute bird. Adorbs. Totes adorbs. Okay, so this is in good shape as well. So there's a lot of good shaped pieces. We'll do, let's do 4 on that little guy. And then I saved this because I saw it was J. Crew and it looks really cool. Nice. I like that. It would probably look better on like this finger, but it's a little snug for me. So this is J. Crew and it is in excellent condition. And she is a 6. So we'll do 6 for $6 for size 6. Now let's look at this Cinnabar. Actually, but just by feeling it, I can tell it's not real. But I'll give you guys a little lesson if you don't know. If you do know, you can fast forward. Anyway, so Cinnabar is just a lacquer that they do layers of. So they'll do a layer of the lacquer, let it dry, layer of the lacquer, let it dry, layer, let it dry, layer, let it dry. So it takes forever to make Cinnabar, and that's why I really hate how it sells for so cheap, because it's really not right. So when you look, this is definitely not real, but if you were to look in the inside little crevices, you would be able to see the layers. See, like this one has none. It's not even that deep, because what they do to make this this carving, they carve into the lacquer, so you'll be able to see all the different layers that they built on top of each other. This does not have that. So that's that. But this is still very cool. It's got the dragon and some flowers, and it's in excellent condition. So let's do $4. Okay guys, that was it. So that was awesome. This was a good lot. We did have all these that have no mates. So they will all be going into the craft lot. So that's unfortunate, but there we go. So email me if you're interested in anything. All the information is in the description box. Check out the links. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.